Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a row and a column in Microsoft Excel. Stick around. On the specific column you want to delete, click to select it. Then right click and then select delete. This will delete the column. To delete a row, select the specific row you want to delete. For this example, I want to delete the fourth row, so click on the fourth row to select it. Then right click to delete it. That's it. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more short and simple tutorials in Excel, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.